अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम अगेन टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एजाज शाह। आज मैं आपके लिए एक नया और इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक लाया हूँ, दैट इज़ वीकेसी और वर्नल केराटोकंजक्टिवाइटिस। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड सेट द बेल नोटिफिकेशन टू ऑल। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का टॉपिक। We will discuss the topic in the following points: definition, etiology or causes of VKC, predisposing factors, signs and symptoms, treatment, and preventive measures. VKC is also known as spring catarrh or warm weather conjunctivitis. It is a chronic bilateral allergic disease of the eye having periodic seasonal incidents. Patients with VKC have recurrent allergy in summer and hot climate. VKC was first described by Alt in 1846. Now coming to the etiology or causes of VKC. VKC is caused by reaction to some allergens, that is gross pollens, dust, cat dander, house dust mites, etc. There are three mechanisms which control the VKC, that is IgE mediated, non-IgE Th2 driven, and non-specific mechanism like sun, dust and wind. Personal or family history of hay fever, asthma or eczema are known as the triggering factors for VKC. According to the article published in International Archives of Allergy and Immunology on September 4, 2009, the genes present on chromosome 5q also play a role in VKC. Third point is predisposing factors. Number 1, age and sex. VKC is more prevalent in boys than girls. According to the studies done by Porika Mohanlal, Associate Professor JMC Telangana, published in European Journal of Molecular and Clinical Medicine, March 2022, the male-female ratio of VKC was found as 3.3:1. 46.25% of VKC patients were in the age group of 6 to 10 years and 1.25% in 31 to 35 years. Age of onset of VKC is usually before puberty. VKC is self-limiting and usually remains up to the age of 20 years, but some cases may extend up to the age of 24 to 30 years. Season. VKC is more common in summer and very few common represent in winter also. It is more predominant in hot and dry climates. इंशाल्लाह इस वीडियो का दूसरा पार्ट मैं जल्द ही अपलोड करूंगा, जिसमें हम साइंस, सिम्टम्स एंड ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ VKC डिस्कस करेंगे. Till then, Allah Hafiz, and yes, please like, share and comment this video and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.